Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix MSI Afterburner not working. All of the settings are locked or grayed out. Now, sometimes when we go ahead and basically use our laptop, there's going to be multiple GPUs installed on the system. There's going to be your main graphics card and the integrated graphics card for the CPU itself. And the reason why this is happening is because the selected graphics card is on the CPU, not on the graphics cards on our laptop. So to change that, you want to navigate through a specific control, which is going to be right here. Now it's going to look something like this on the application. The button that I'm talking about is this specific button right beside the save icon. This will open up the available graphics card for your device. So in our case, as of the moment, it is selected to the UHD graphics card. You can just select the other graphics card, and from there, the options will then be enabled. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.